Hello, my name is Michel Morvan. I'm the co-founder of Cosmotech, a simulation digital twin software vendor. And we use this digital twin to optimize the operational efficiency in industry. And today I'm going to talk about the way to overcome uncertainty in manufacturing with digital twin. Well, if you look at what is currently happening in manufacturing, and if for example you're in charge of a process or a factory, or any important aspect in manufacturing, supply chain, you are probably facing what I call usually a contradictory injunction, because in particular in this period with the sanitary crisis, your CEO or other person above you is asking you two different and contradictory things. The first one is you have to be more and more efficient. You have to be more and more robust. You have to be more and more resilient to unexpected events, which is understandable. But at the same time, your CEO or manager is asking, yes, but you have to do that and at the same time reduce cost and reduce cost and reduce cost. And at the end of the day, how can you do it? Because it's contradictory. Well, this question is very, very important and pregnant today, in particular because uncertainty and complexity are now the new norm. You have to face volatile demand, volatile capability of production, because one region can shut down and the factories cannot work anymore. But of course, classical things, you can face asset failure, you can face problems in your supply chain. And what do you need? What is the only possible way to respond to this contradictory injunction, optimize efficiency, resilience, and at the same time reduce cost, is to gain visibility, to know what's going to happen, to know what's going to happen if you do this, if you do that. And of course, for doing that, digital twins are extremely important. Digital twin will give you, by creating this replica of your system, it will give you the possibility to know the past, to know the present, and simulation digital twin will allow you to have visibility in the future, meaning you will have access to data from the past, data from the present, and simulation will provide you data from the future so that you can make the best decisions and take into account uncertainty. So let me just talk about one example with one of our customers, Renault, the car manufacturer. And the problem they were facing was how to optimize the response to a volatile demand in car manufacturing and engine manufacturing. Well, the problem is you have a demand over, let's say, 52 weeks, and you're on the first day of the year, and you have to organize all your production process of, let's say, 10 to 15 factories to produce 10, different engines. And of course, you have a lot of interactions. You have teams working on the machines. You have machines. This machine can fail, but they can also do a lot of different things, take some pieces, parts, and produce others. And so it's extremely complex. So what can you do with a simulation digital twin? You have this digital twin that represents the state of your system, but you also have, because you have the ability to simulate all the dynamics, everything that happens when you do this or you do that, if you change the behavior of a machine, if you change the shift for a team in 32 weeks, you can have that information and you can simulate that. And simulation digital twin will give you this visibility, allow the possibility to detect cascading events that will happen in the future, to test alternative strategies. What if I ask my supplier to provide more parts this week in the coming year? You can also predict events even if they never happened in the past. And of course, you can optimize by running a lot of simulations and test a lot, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of different scenarios with unexpected events happening, so that you can see and find the best strategy to achieve your goal, which will be to be as efficient as possible, as well as to reduce cost, because in a simulation digital twin, you can have a lot of different aspects of your system taken into account, and all the interactions between these different aspects. What is clear, I hope, for you, and that's what we observed with our customers, is that simulation digital twin are extremely important everywhere there is uncertainty, and everywhere there is complexity if you need visibility. And today, this is everywhere. And so that's why we think that these simulation digital twins are so important, and in particular to overcome uncertainty in manufacturing, as I share with you. At the end of the day, by doing that and using these tools, you will have the ability to increase efficiency, reduce cost, and, well, please your CEO, which is always very good. Thank you for your attention.